the sun on this right now? This is part 5 of my very fairy themed jar. I have freebies in this, so let's open the freebies real quick while we have time. I literally forgot about the freebies. How could I forget about the freebies? They did not have to do this, by the way. This jar was ginormous. It was like, I don't know if it was actually 10 pounds, but it felt like 10 pounds. Okay, these are gorgeous. I would not wear them. They're clip-ons. Anybody who's interested. Oh, I think a lot of these are clip-ons. Ooh, this one can be both. This one can be both. Yes, I would wear. Those are so cute. I love the 10%. Again, I'm crazy tonight, by the way. These are gorgeous. These are clip-ons. I would not wear them. Oh my gosh. I wish these weren't clip-ons. Should I try to make them into not clip-ons? Look how pretty those are. You know, think about it. I would do it for them. I would turn those into earrings. Real ones. This cute bangle. I don't think it would slide on my wrist. Yeah, it would. I don't wear a lot of turquoise, so I don't think I would wear it. Plus, these are kind of wiggly. Maybe that's the purpose. Let's go to this freebie. What is with these freebies? What? What is going on with my luck today? Okay, sorry, that can't fit. Yeah, What? Yes. Okay, this bracelet, it is cool. I've never worn a bracelet like this. Yes, I would wear it. What? This pin. Let me put it in. Sorry, it looks so scary right now. This pin? Wow. Guys, the sun on this right now. Tell me if this should be a necklace instead. Because I feel like it would be seen a lot more as one. She shines. She's the spotlight. Guys, this jar is freaking crazy. What? This bracelet, I don't wear a lot of beaded stuff most of the time, so not much. This beautiful, ooh, I love this sun right here. Gorgeous. I don't know if I'd wear it. Probably not. I do believe it is adjustable. Okay, what is going on? Pink is my favorite color. Yes. And this beautiful pearls, which I already like the other pearls, so no. And it looks like it is vintage from the way it clasps. I don't know how to show you. It has this hook, like this. I don't think they're real. I'm not gonna put it in my mouth, but I don't think they're real. Guys, there are so many vintage pieces in here. Another one with this kind of hook. So it comes out. I've never seen a necklace like this. And it slides in. There's 3 of these necklaces in here. That is so cool. I think I would have to wear that. Yes. And this beautiful moment. She's beautiful, but there's other pearls that I like more on this side, so not wear. This jar's incredible. So I'm gonna do a dumperoo. And thank goodness. If you were here for the other parts, you know this jar is on its last leg. It's breaking, and I thought it was gonna explode. Thank goodness it didn't. My sleeves are killing me. They're killing me. Okay. These are a match. Very, very cute. I don't think I'd wear them. They're not my style, but they're really cool. This beauty two-toned gold and silver. Okay, there we go. Really cool. yes, I would wear. Stuff that I don't want is going to be on my Depop. Anybody who's interested, and some of the stuff I do want, if you're interested, I'll put it on my Depop for you, besides like stuff that I'm literally dying over. So this, yes. Ooh, these are really cool. I would not wear, but they are really cool. These earrings, you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Yes. Ooh, this is a clip-on earring. I don't wear clip-ons, so I would not wear. Ooh, okay. These earrings, yellow and gold. I would not wear. Those are not my colors. These bedazzled earrings. I would not wear. They're not my style. This pin, perfect for the 4th of July. The 4th of July. Name that movie. Okay, I would not wear that, but it is cute. These earrings are pretty. Yes, I would wear. Ooh, I think this is a choker. I think. I don't know if that's going to fit my neck. Maybe it's a anklet. Can't get it past these earrings. Okay, whatever it is, it's pretty and I would wear. Look at these. Gorgeous. These silver hoops. Yes, I would wear. These earrings. Yes, I'd wear. They're cool. I literally had a brain fart just now. I don't know if you could see it. You're gonna have to watch that back. I had a brain fart. Big time. Okay. These red bedazzled silver hearts. Yes, I would wear. I think there is a match to this. It could be tangled up in something. It has a pretty stone on it. Yes, I would wear. Purple. Looks like a wing. What is that? Yes. I would wear. These yellow, they feel like matte, like soft, kind of groovy earrings. No, I would not wear. I'm pretty sure there was a match to this and I put it in the yes. Because that is sick. Oh, yeah. One of these necklaces was missing a gem. I don't think it's this one. Maybe this one? Let me just show you these ginormous piles of jewelry. Stuff I would wear. Look at, oh wait, my hand, why does my hand look so big today? Literally so much stuff. Anyways, for anybody who stayed and watched this whole thing, thank you. That was very chaotic, and for you to sit through all of that, I love you. So, thank you. I hope you all have such a beautiful day, and let's admire this. I'm gonna come up in the sun so you guys could admire this piece from yesterday. I'm obsessed. Okay, bye.